Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the newest cotton yarn from Mainstays. Mainstays is a Walmart brand if you didn't know, and they recently came out with some 100% cotton yarn. Now they don't have many colors. I think at most they might have 6 different colors to choose from, but I thought I would pick up a skein of this for a project which will be coming out very soon. But I decided I wanted to pick up this pretty pink color, and as you can see it says Mainstays 100% cotton yarn, and it includes a free pattern on the inside of this label, which I like when yarns do that because I feel like you can kind of get an idea of what the yarn will look like when it's worked up in a pattern. So for this particular yarn, it's 180 yards or 165 meters. It's a 3.5 ounce skein or 100 grams. It is considered a number 4 worsted weight yarn. And for the knitters, they recommend a US 8 5mm knitting needles. And for the crocheters out there, they recommend a US H8 or 5mm crochet hook. Again, it's 100% cotton, and it requires you to machine wash cold, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, iron low heat, dry clean any solvent except, I'm not going to even pronounce that word. But yeah, so I feel like overall this yarn is pretty squishy. This color that I picked up is Daylily Pink. I don't know if you can see that if I zoom up a little bit. There you go. So it's this really pretty pink color. I really like it a lot, and I feel like it's going to work up very nicely. So let me go ahead and get my crochet hook, and I will go ahead and work up a nice little swatch for you. So here I am working up my swatch, and my hook easily glides over the stitches. I can actually compare this yarn to the Hobby Lobby I Love This Cotton yarn. I feel like it's very soft and very comparable to that yarn, and it definitely makes me feel like I need to go out and get that yarn now and see how much it compares to this. But it definitely is pretty much the same in consistency as far as the shine to it, the softness of it, and the way that it works up quickly. I've done a few rows of double crochet, half double crochet, and I even have some single crochet in there. So I feel like the stitch definition is really good. You can see all the stitches perfectly. There's not really any fuzz to it, so I can't say how it will fuzz up over time, but I feel like it's very sturdy and it's very soft and durable, like I said. So the Mainstays cotton yarn can be purchased at Walmart, like I said, and it's about $3. And looking on their website, it looks like they have about 7 different colors. So you get a white, a light blue, kind of a tan color, the pink color that you see here, a mint green, black, and a light gray color. So you do have a few options to choose from. However, I would like for this line to come out with even more colors. I think a really pretty pale yellow would be nice. So hopefully that they decide to come out with more colors in the Mainstays cotton yarn. So this is just a little yarn review that I wanted to do for you guys, just in case you're interested in checking out some new cotton yarn. I definitely will be picking up more of this because I feel like, again, it's comparable to the Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn. It's just a little bit cheaper. So hopefully they can come out with some new colors and maybe even some variegated or speckled colors instead of just the solid colors. But this is a really nice cotton yarn, and it's really nice and easy to work with. And again, I do have a project coming out using this exact yarn, so be on the lookout for that in the next week or two. So thank you so much for joining me today on the Mainstays cotton yarn review. And I hope you give this yarn a try. Again, it's at your local Walmart for about $3. So I hope you just try this yarn out and see if you like it yourself, or if you also can compare it to the Hobby Lobby I Love This Cotton yarn. So thank you so much for joining me today, and please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, if there's any ever video that you would like to see me make, please let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.